Hey loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola if you're seeing me for the first time. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this very popular supplement. I'm sure you must have heard about it at some point or the other. So if you want to know whether it works, if you want to know what exactly it does, if you want to know how to use it, do make sure you watch this video to the very end and give it a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Let's get right into it. Hey my loves, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. I said I wasn't going to go for for long before coming to see you guys, and I'm trying my best. Okay, I'm trying my best. But yeah, how have you been? How is the whole no fall increase and everything? How is it treating you? Plus this traffic, how are you coping? Are you all right? I really sincerely want to know, are you okay? Please leave it in the comment section and let's talk about how you're doing. So this is Gluta White Sparkle L Glutathione Plus. It says that it lightens spots and dullness. It reveals the timeless beauty that is you. It's formulated with L-glutathione, ascorbic acid, that's vitamin C. We all know that you cannot talk about skin lightening or skin brightening or skin whitening without talking about glutathione. And then vitamin C is also a very good antioxidant. It helps to brighten your skin and all of that. So yeah, so this is L-glutathione. It says that it's for skin whitening regimens for the face and body. Gluta 2x white skin, better than injection. So this is better than you taking glutathione injection. Apart from whitening, I hear that I've heard a couple of people say that it helps to get rid of acne and pimples on the face, and that it also helps with weight loss. I cannot really tell if it helps with acne, to be honest. I told you guys that I'm dealing with breakouts and acne, right? So yeah, so I don't know whether it helps with acne, but with weight loss I may be seeing it might be working. It may be working for weight loss. Although I wouldn't say it's working for dramatic weight loss, like you going from like size 20 to size 14 or size 20 to 16. I don't think it works that way. But even I myself, I didn't really notice, but I went to my sister's house. She had not seen me in like 2 weeks, and then I went there. I've been using this for those 2 weeks, and she was like, "Oh look, it looks like you lost weight." So like I know that I lost weight because my neck and then the chin are already, because I've been eating junks. I noticed that, I don't know if you can notice that I'm having double chin, right? So the double chin was like more pronounced than this before. Can you okay, maybe you can see, right? So the double chin was more pronounced than this before, but is a little bit better now. It helps me with weight loss. I don't know how. Maybe it controls my appetite. Yes. Okay, I think it helps to reduce my cravings because naturally I used to really crave, sugar, like biscuit and milk, biscuit and Milo, like junks. But I noticed that I've not been craving that in a while. And this is the only thing that's changed in my regimen. So that might be it. Maybe it helps to like eliminate cravings because of course it is sweet by itself, so maybe that is filling and it doesn't make you crave any other sugary thing. So this is what it looks like inside. So it comes like this, and then it has this white protective cover, and this is what it looks like inside of it. Can you see? Okay, so it comes with this spoon. It comes with this spoon inside. When I first bought it, I didn't see the spoon because it was inside it, and the product had covered it. So I'd taken it up to some point before I now found the spoon. So if you open yours and you feel like there's no spoon inside, take a dry spoon and use it to like fluff it off. You will see it there. So what does it look like? It's like a pinkish, it looks like salt. It looks like Epsom salt. Epsom salt. It looks like pink. So this is like a finer version of Epsom salt, and it tastes like, it's sweet. Okay, so if you have a sweet tooth like me, this, you would really enjoy taking this. It's really sweet. So it tastes like, when you dissolve it in water, it tastes like you're drinking, you dissolved vitamin C. This normal vitamin C that we dissolve in water, right? This 1000 milligram vitamin C that we dissolve in water, what you get from that. So you get like times 5 of the intensity. Like, this is sweeter, it gives you that vibe, but this is sweeter, this is thicker. this is more enjoyable. I'm saying this with all, and I'm all smiling because I really do enjoy taking it. So you're supposed to take it either in the morning or at night, or you can take it morning and night. So when I first started taking it, I said I was going to be taking it morning and night, but to be honest, most times when I wake up in the mornings, I just want to shower, wear my makeup, get dressed, and go to work. I don't remember to take it. So I've just decided that I'll just leave it to only night. So right now I take it only at night, and it comes with this cup. So this cup is calibrated. This cup is calibrated. It has 50 ml, 75 ml, 100 ml, 125 ml, and 150 ml. So you're supposed to dissolve 1 spoon of this into 150 ml of this. So it means that you put water inside this cup, right? You put water inside this cup and leave it up to air. You will see it. The cup is calibrated. Yeah, you should be able to see it right now. The cup is calibrated. So you put water up until 150 ml. Then you take 1 scoop of this. So, see? I like to level it. So 1 scoop of this, and then you pour it in air. You're supposed to take it in the morning. That's before you eat anything in the morning, or late at night when you are done eating. It's 8 o'clock right now, 8 p.m. So next time I'm not going to eat anything again for the rest of today. So let's have it. So this cup always comes with this cover. So I measured 150 ml of water here. I'm going to take 1 spoon of this. So here you go. And you take a spoon and stir. You have to actually stir it. So there are some days I'm too lazy to maybe go to the kitchen to take a spoon, or I just really want to drink it and get it done with. So I tried. Sometimes I cover, I just put water, I put the powder, and I cover, and then I shake the cup. I've come to realize that the powder doesn't dissolve completely, and by the time I'm done drinking the water, there's a big chunk of powder in my mouth. Guys, this is very sweet. As much as I like sweet things, the powder is just too sweet for me. So you have to actually stir it to dissolve the powder. You have to actually stir it to make sure that the powder dissolves. Okay. And then if you have not subscribed to this channel, this might be the right time for you to subscribe, because I mean, don't lie, you like me and you like my content, and I'm sure that you want your skin to glow. So why not just click the subscribe button? It's not just whitening and lightening that we do. We talk about general skin glowing. If you don't want to lighten your skin, you just want to maintain your skin, we also talk about that. So don't think it's only skin whitening they are doing on this channel. No, we talk about general skin, healthy skin, and all things beauty. Okay, so yeah, subscribe. And also I need you guys to please click on the thumbs up button, so that YouTube, the YouTube algorithm, so that the YouTube algorithm will pick it up that, oh, you guys are enjoying the video, and then to share it with more people. And have I told you guys to please always watch my ads? Please don't skip my ads. Your girl needs money. Your girl needs money to keep buying products to review. So please don't skip any of my ads. This is really good. Like really, really good. Guys, it is sweet. You would want to take it, okay? You would really want to take it. So since I've been taking this, it's very sweet, right? I noticed that I've not really craved Pepsi. I used to always drink Pepsi, but I noticed I've not drank Pepsi in like a month now. Maybe in a month, maybe I've only drank 1 bottle. Before I used to drink at least 1 bottle every day. So that's a big improvement. Give me some credit. Give me some credit. Mm. So yeah, that's it. For how long I've been using it and for what has it done? I've been using it for like 3 weeks now, and I can tell you that my skin is better. Not like white, 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 white. I don't know if it's making my skin very white, but my skin is better. Okay. In fact, there's some nights that I just shower and I don't cream. Maybe because I know that I'm relying on this. My skin is better. It's better. At least because my feet, I used to have dark feet. My feet used to be darker than my, than my legs. Since I started using this, I noticed that my skin had gotten better. Not like dark, dark, dark like that though, but my skin had gotten better. I think my knuckles has even gotten better. My knuckles have gotten better. My skin generally have gotten better. The dark spots here, they've gotten better as well. Of course, I use something for dark spots here, but generally my skin is better, and I cannot assure you that, oh, when you start using it immediately your skin will get like 1000 shades lighter. No. If you want to rely on it to get like 2 shades lighter, I don't think it's going to work. You may have to use it for like back to back for a year before you get that kind of effect. But just use it to support your body, use it to support your cream. Get a good cream, get a good body wash or soap, and then scrub like at least once or twice in a week. Then use this. Your skin will glow. Apart from the fact, there's some people that will be light skinned but their skin will not glow. Your skin will actually glow when you use this. Don't expect it to start glowing within a week. Oh, please, at least use it for 2 to 3 weeks. Use it for 2 3, or even finish one bottle of this. So for me, I would say that this bottle would last. It won't last me 2 months, but let me say it will last 5 weeks. Okay, the bottle will last me 5 weeks, and I don't want to manage. If I want to go back to using it twice in a day, it will last a month. But I can't use it, so I use it once in a day. So I would say 5 to 6 weeks. With 5 to 6 weeks, it should. Or if you want to do it, if you want to manage it, maybe don't use one whole spoon, because there's some people that say using one whole spoon will be too sweet for them. So if you don't want to use one whole spoon, you can manage it for 2 months, and then So one of this costs 20,000 naira. One of this costs 20,000 naira. There are some pharmacies, supermarkets, people that sell skincare products that sell it. You can get it from there. And again, one more thing before I go. Before you start using any supplements at all, I would advise that you detoxify your skin. So maybe buy frozen collagen and use it to detox. Use it like 2 weeks before you start using supplements. Or you can just decide to naturally detox your skin by drinking more water, getting rid of junks, and then you scrub your skin very well, so that this would also work perfectly. So you need to detoxify your skin. When you're using this, please make sure that you try as much as possible to avoid junks, so that your skin can get better. And if you're trying to lose weight like me, it would definitely, you will see the difference. Okay, with consistency, you will see the difference. So that will be all for this video, guys. I keep saying that if there's any particular video you want me to make for you, if there's a product you want me to review for you, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be reading everything one after the other. And follow me on Instagram, the Fola Jessie. I'm going to leave it on the screen. Follow me on Instagram, the Fola Jessie. Follow me on Twitter, the Fola Jessie. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for sticking with me, and I love you so much. Till I see you in my next video, stay jiggy.